Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through a fantastic leg series using the foam roller to really sculpt, tone and lift through that entire lower body, particularly those glutes. Now all you need for this workout is your foam roller and your mat, so let's get started. We're going to start today's workout lying down on our back with the foam roller directly underneath our feet. So find your position, come all the way down into the mat and place your feet directly on top of the foam roller. Now make sure that the foam roller is in a nice comfortable position. You might have to adjust it throughout to make sure that your legs are the correct distance away in order to get the correct engagement through the hamstrings. Now place your feet comfortably and wrap the arches of your feet around the foam roller. Press your arms down to the ground beside you. Just make sure that you're nice and centered on the mat. Now take a nice deep breath in here, and then as you exhale, sink your abdominals down towards your spine. You're going to pull your hips in towards your rib cage and press the spine down. Now we're going to take a deep breath in to prepare once again, and as you exhale this time, tuck the pelvis under and curl away from the mat, vertebra by vertebra pressing down into the foam roller and lengthening through your spine. Breathe in, and then as you exhale, roll down into the mat, one vertebra at a time and lengthen all the way out. Pull the abdominals in, scoop your tummy, feel the engagement through the hamstrings as you lift up and lengthen through your spine, open up the chest, breathe in, and then as you exhale, slowly and with control, melt all the way down. Now you might feel the foam roller wobbling a little, and that's okay. It means that you're using your stabilizing muscles to control, align, and recalibrate the body. Lift, and then with control, melt all the way down. So you're using all the deep intrinsic muscles to stabilize and control. Rolling all the way up, lifting, and then with control, draw your navel in towards your spine as you lower down. 4 more like this. Breathe out 4, lifting up, pressing down into the foam roller, and then sinking down with control and rolling through the spine. 3 to go. Breathe out 3, keep the collarbone nice and wide, lift all the way up, and then with control, sink all the way down and into the ground. Good, just 2 more. Breathe out 2, lifting up, squeezing, and then sinking all the way back down. 1 last time, scoop your tummy, lift all the way up, with control, squeeze, press the ground away, and then melt all the way down and into the mat. Now reset yourself. You want to make sure once again that the foam roller is in a nice comfortable position, so if you need to roll it in a little bit closer you can. You're going to make sure that the foam roller is nice and steady. We're coming to single leg work, so you're going to now, instead of articulating, just press the hips right up. So press down into the foam roller to engage, keep the spine in neutral, lift all the way up. Now make sure you're nice and balanced through the hips, peek down, make sure they're nice and even. Press your right foot deeper into the foam roller, lift the left leg up. Tap for 5, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press the left foot down now, reaching the right leg up, scooping, tap for 5, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place both feet down with control, melt all the way down and into the mat. This is a short sample of our latest foam roller leg sculptor workout, now live on the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. Now we have the full-length version of this workout and over 500 more full-length real-time workouts waiting for you. We have equipment and non-equipment mat workouts, programs, challenges, reformer sessions, full 60-minute studio sessions, and so much more. Whatever you're looking for, you're going to find it there. You can check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to work out with you.